Okay. How many questions you have done in your exercise? Tell me.
In the assignments,
No, in your textbook.
yeah, the textbook. Only did three of the questions after the question nine, and then I did only three after that.
You don't need to after that.
Yeah, three. Two.
Now I'm starting surface area.
Okay,
And if you want to complete the syllabus, okay, you have to do more and more questions in your homework. Okay,
okay,
because
all three.
yeah, we have so many exercises and so many questions in your exercise. You know that. Okay,
Okay.
please start your camera. Okay, now these are the three solids. Okay, first we have the cylinder. Okay, the surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi RH. Okay, then 2 pi RH is the formula of surface area.
Yes.
Surface area. Okay, and
We're
there are
going
two.
to suppose this
There,
about
there are
algebra today.
what? What?
Nothing.
There are two surface areas from every solid. Which is curved surface area, where you have the curved surfaces, and the total surface area. Okay, in your book, the only curved surface areas, the formula of curved surface area is written. The curved surface of the cylinder is 2 pi RH. Okay, of this surface, this is the area of this only curved surface. Understood? But if you included the bottom and the upper part, okay, so it will be total surface area. If you included the area of bottom and the top, so it will be total surface area. Now the formula will become 2 pi r h plus r. Okay, because you have to add the area of two circles. Okay, it will be 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. The area of a circle is pi r square. So pi r square plus pi r square is 2 pi r square. And I'm taking the common. Are you laying down again?
No, I'm sitting on my chair. The
You have
camera
to
is
stand.
facing upwards.
No, please, you have to stand sitting in the manner, okay? Because
Yeah.
this is very important for the class, for your better understanding. Okay, for your
It's
better
okay.
understanding. Yes. So it will be 2 pi r h plus r. Understood? This is the total surface area. Understood?
Yeah.
Yes. Now, for sphere, the curved surface area and the total surface area is equal because it has only one surface, this is curved surface. So it will be 4 pi r square. Now, in cone, curved surface area is pi r l. What is L here? L is the slant height of this cone. L is the slant height. Understood? And the total surface area is pi r l plus l. Because I am adding the area of this circle also. Understood?
For sphere, 4 pi r square is for both
Yes.
surface area and then total
Yes, yes.
surface area.
Yes, yes. Because it has only one surface, curved surface.
So there's not the so both for both surfaces. There's
Yes,
only
yes.
one surface, so there's nothing to calculate.
Yes. Now, mm, there are 14, 15, 16, 17 questions in your exercise. Okay. Similarity is also here. Area of similar shapes. The chapter is too big. Similarity and volume of similar shapes. Okay, see you. You have to find the radius of the sphere whose surface area is 32. When it is asking about surface area, so you have to take only curved surface area. Okay, understood? This is the meaning that is in curved surface area. You want to note note this down, the formula. Note down the formulas first. Note down. You are muted.
Sir, what does CSA stand for?
Curved
The
surface area.
CSA. Huh?
Curved surface area.
We finished.
Try these questions. Have you done? Have you done question number 2? Tell me, have you done?
So I don't understand question two. I thought. How can we
Then
use the formula here?
you have to find the radius and the space surface
Yeah.
area is given.
So we
Surface
don't write
area.
anything in R. We leave R as it is. 5 and 4 were
Yeah,
already there, so there's nothing to write.
yeah. Surface area is given as 34. So write the formula surface area bottom and behind of this. So it will be 4 pi r square is equal to 34. Okay. Now taking the value of pi as 22 by 7, we have to find r. So we as it is put r equal to 34. R square is 34 into 7 upon 4 into 22. By cancelling out 2 to the 4 and 6 is 17. Okay. We r
44 as denominator and then
yeah 4 is in 4 and 22 is in the denominator.
yeah.
6.
So I'm saying the denominator will be 44 and then the denominator will be 1 second.
7 7 the 49 and 7 on the 7 119 upon 44, and we have to take the
20,
square root of 119
20
upon
square
44.
root. Yeah.
You have to find them. Okay.
Yeah,
And
that.
what is the answer? You find the square root. The answer will be, if you find, it will be 1.64 centimeter.
How do we do this without calculator?
Yeah.
How do we do this without calculator?
What?
How do we do this without calculator?
You have to do, I'm asking the operational team that in your exam, the calculator is allowed. I don't know about this, but in IB boards, the calculator is allowed. I think the calculator is allowed in your exam.
It is.
Okay, okay. So you can use the calculator. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. 1.64. Note it down first. 1 second.
Yeah, that's it.
Done.
In cone, the length means the slanting height, right?
The slant height of the cone that has curved surface area and radius. What? What are you saying? Length
The
is
slant height
L.
of a is the length.
No. L is
No,
called the
I'm
slant
in the
height.
formula. L is the slant height. That's what I'm saying.
Yes, 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 yes. L is the
Yeah.
slant. Length is not the slant height. It is not. It is not length. It is a symbol of slant height. L. Understood? Can you find the answer of third? Tell. I will help you.
No, no, I can do this question.
Okay, do this. Do this fast, and I telling you some. Can you please reduce the background noise? All the exercises coming in your exam on all the chapters. Then all are completed in your school. For example,
Yes.
in because for example, in this five chapter, you have more. I think 5.7b, 5.7c, 5.7d, and revision exercise. All the exercises is completed in your school,
Yes.
and all the exercises are coming in the exam.
Apparently, yes. Of course, they don't make us do every single question in the exercises. They make us do like the tricky ones and the stuff that is important. Let me scroll up. I want to see did the working for question two.
Yeah. What?
Can you scroll up? I want to see the working for question two for a second. Well, 2.57.
What is the answer?
2.57.
For third one,
Yes.
2.57.
Yes.
I think you got something. It will be 2.12 or 2.57. We got approximately equal, but it will be 2.12. Okay. I think you have done, I think, some calculation mistake. No problem.
Oh, 1 second. Yeah, yeah, my bad, my bad. I did 22 into 7 instead of 20 into 7 by accident.
No problem. So are you
It's
understanding the
one
questions
two point
about the,
one two one two one two one, right?
okay. Are you understanding the questions of the surface areas?
Yeah.
Now can we start the new topic?
Yeah, we can start the new topic.
Yeah.
We can start the new topic.
You want to learn units for surface areas and volumes, or you know that how to convert the units centimeter square to millimeter square or millimeter square to centimeter square. You know that about this or not?
After that, centimeters square to millimeters square.
Yeah,
And yeah, I thought we just have to multiply by 1000 for
yeah,
the
yeah.
there. Yeah,
You know about the units or not?
yeah, I know about the units.
Okay, so we can start now. So similarity.
Yeah, we can start similarity now.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you can start similarity. Okay. And I have give them some questions from question number 6 to 14 to your assignment. Okay.
Good.
Yes, you have to do in the assignment. Yes, are you there?
Yeah, that's why I say I choked on one. That's why.
Yes. Similarity. What is similarity? See these figures. What can you see about this?
What?
Watch out these figures.
Both are circles. Yes.
Both are circles and they look similar. Okay.
They are circles.
Then what is the difference between these two?
they have a different radius and different circumference and
Yes.
stuff.
Yeah.
That's
They have
different
different areas,
areas.
and one is small and one is big. Okay. And we can say that the radius or the diameters are different. But when I watch this, they look similar. Okay. So by looking, they look similar. But in the mathematics, what are the requirements to be the shapes to be similar? What are the requirements?
The shape has to be exactly the same. If not, the size can be different.
The size will not. If the sides will not equal, they will be same or not. For example, I'm
If the
making
size,
this is a equilateral triangle. I'm making an also equilateral triangle here. So they are similar or not? Tell me.
they are similar.
Yeah, they are similar. So we can say that the necessity of the sides is not compulsory. Okay. Then how we can say then mathematically that they are similar or not? So these are some rule. Okay. I find the rules one second. There are two things to be similar. First is all the angles should be equal. All the corresponding angles should be equal. For example, this is the triangle ABC. Okay, and this is the triangle PQR.
A should correspond with B, B should correspond with Q, and the Q and C should correspond with R.
Yes.
They should all be
All
the
the
same, right?
yeah, all the corresponding angles be equal. For example, this B is equal to 60 degree. So Q will also be equal to 60 degree. And A will equal to 50 degree. So P will be equal to 50 degree. And R will be equal to 70 degree. So it will be also equal to 70 degree. Okay. So all the angles must be equal for similarity, for being similarity of triangle. And all the sides are in the same ratio. All the sides should be proportional. What is meaning by proportional? Proportional corresponding sides will be proportional. For example, it means AB upon PQ because AB is the corresponding PQ will be equal to BC upon QR and will be equal to AC by PR. These are the two rules. Okay, these two must be equal for being similar. Understood? In a triangle. Understood or not? Tell me.
Understood.
Yes. See this question. Each question from 1 to 11 includes two similar triangles. Find the sides labeled with letters. All sides lengths are in centimeters. So they are similar. It is asking in that question. Okay. We have to find the sides labeled add with letters. So we know that if the triangles are similar, the sides will be in the same ratio. Okay. So we know that what is the, tell me what is the proportional side with AC? Because this angle is given as to this equal this angle. So C will be proportional to F. So this side is proportional to AC. Okay, AC and DF. So we AC by DF will be equal to, and this angle is equal. So BC and EF. BC by EF will be equal to AB by ED. Understood or not?
Understood.
So AC is given as 2 and DF is given as 4. BC is given as E and EF is given as 6. AB is given as A and ED is given as 5. By putting these two equals, so 2 by 4 equal to E by 6, then E will be equal to 2 into 6 by 4, which is 2 to the 4 and 2 3 to 6. E will be equal to 3. And putting these two equals, or these two equals, because all sides are equal. 2 by 4 equal to A by 5. So it will be
2 into 5 over 4,
yes,
which is equal to
equal to
divided
the 4.
by 4.
So A will be equal to 2.5.
5.
Understood?
Yes.
Noted down and noted down these things I have written here.
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
what happens if E is given, the denominator is given, but the denominator is not given? Will it be, so will it be like, let's say, for example, when we were finding out E, it was 2 over 4 is equal to E over 6, right? What if, for example, it was 2 over 4 is equal to 6 over E? Should we solve it the same way or a different way?
Or tell me again, what are you saying? Again.
So, you know how we solved E, right? We
Yeah,
found
okay.
3.
And we found
In
3
the
here.
question,
Okay.
we were calculating it by using the 2 over 4 is equal to E over 6. So isn't it like, right? We're using E over 6, right?
Yeah.
So I'm saying, for example, E was given, the nominator was given, but the denominator was not given. Would we have solved it the same way?
Yes, the denominator is not given. We're taking the denominator as 1. Okay.
No,
We have to,
uh, I'm
we
saying
have,
E is like, it's, let's say, 6 over E. Instead of E over 6, it was 6 over E.
okay, 1 second. You are saying that it is 2 by 4 and E over C.
Yeah.
Okay. This, now, so we can take this 6 to the numerator. 2 into 6 by 4.
No, 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 sir. Right, 2 over 4
1 second. Okay, 2 over 4.
and is equal to 6 over E.
6 over E. Okay.
Yeah, how do you solve with this one?
We
We no,
we we
we
got
use 2,
cross multiplied. We got
2 over 4 into
cross
6.
2. We got cross multiplied. 2 multiplied by E equal to 4 multiplied by 6. Now taking 2 to the denominator, 4 into 6 by 2. 2 to the 4 and 2 6 are 12. E will be 12. Now, okay. Understood?
Okay, yes.
So, should I have to erase it or you want to note it down?
I want to write it down.
You want to note it down?
Yes.
Okay, okay, note it down. But this is not the part of the question, okay?
Okay, and
This is not the part of it.
Okay, I noted it down.
Find the answer of second.
So scroll a bit up. Finish, sir.
Okay.
AB is 4.8 and then BC is 6.4.
One second. Wait, once. This is the second question. And what are you saying? What is the answer?
Yes,
What are the answers?
4.8 is a b.
No, X. Tell me the value of X and Y.
Okay, x is 4.8 and then y is 6.4.
What is he doing in the answer sheet is X is equal to 6, Y is equal to 10.
No, y is equal to 10.
Yes, Y is equal to 10 is your answer.
One second, I think I have.
X
Wait a
is equal to
second.
6 and Y is equal to 10. This is the answer. What is the corresponding side of EB?
Oh, one second. Okay, I made one mistake. I always have problems in these cross multiplications. Instead of 8 into 15 over 12, I did 8 into 12 over 15. That's why I got 6.4.
Okay.
I think the same way I was supposed to do 9 into 8 over 15. What was x supposed to be?
X is equal to 6, Y is equal to 10.
So how did you get 6? I still don't get it.
Okay, one second. What is the corresponding side of AB in this triangle?
AB, YX. I mean XY.
Okay, AB by XY. And
AB is X, and then Y is 9. XY is 9.
no, okay. And AC, what is the corresponding side of AC?
Uh, AC is 8,
No.
and then
What is the
AC.
corresponding side of AC? AC by
Oh, AC is 8, and then it's 15. The corresponding ones.
no corresponding side is no not 15.
Oh,
It's
okay, my bad. No,
XZ.
not number, my bad. Y is E. Wait, X.
XZ. XZ is the
So look,
corresponding
you're
side.
saying that Y is 6, right?
Yeah.
Which would mean that
What
8 is hypotenuse, right? 8 is because the largest number, right? And that would make 15 the hypotenuse as well. So these two should be
there
similar. It shouldn't be x3.
there uh, there is no hypotenuse. So you have to see here. You have to opposite this angle. This is 8.
8.
Okay. And you have to opposite this
And,
angle is 12.
oh, okay, okay, okay.
So it will be AC by XZ and BC by YZ. AB is X and
Wait,
XY is 12.
okay, 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 okay.
AC
I got
is
it.
wait,
Well, this time I was using 15 and not 12, so I was within 4 points.
BC is YZ is. You got it now or not?
Yeah, I got it.
What you have got it?
So I was using the reason I was getting 4.8 was because I was using 15. Uh, I was not using 12. So I just had to do 9 over 8, 9 into 8 over 12 instead of 9 into 8 over 15, and I got 6.
What is the value of XY? XY is 9. Now it will be X is equal to 8 into 9 by 12. 4 to the 8,
Which
4
is
3 is
6.
12, 3 3 is 9. Okay?
Yes.